FactoryManager. What the heck is that? My name is Mateusz, and I would like to show you a project named FactoryManager, which is created to collect or set the data on PLCs. What we can see now is a login screen, after which we are redirected to selection of the particular PLC assigned to machine, which in turn is assigned to a production line. After selecting the PLC, the page that manages is shown. Currently, we are on the dashboard, which displays the data with which the PLC has been defined in the application. The next tab is used to manage variables, or tags if you prefer, defined on the PLC. This tab is customized individually for each supported PLC manufacturer. In this case, we can see the one for Rockwell family controllers. There is possibility to choose one of defined tags on the PLC, and information about it is automatically loaded. There is possibility to set the value of a particular variable depending on its type, as well as define a scheduled job for saving a variable value. This is how this tab looks like for Siemens family controllers. Managing the defined scheduled jobs is done on the Manage Jobs tab. There is possibility to dry run, resume, pause, or delete the saved scheduled job. Collected data can be presented on the graphs, which are generated on the Generate Diagrams tab. There is possibility to choose type of a diagram. At least one of variable names must be selected and date range for which the diagram is to be generated. It is also possible to manually upload the backup for a given PLC. Can I configure it easily? In a settings window, System Administrator can also configure the application settings, which are loaded dynamically. Or get direct access to the records in the database via admin panels. Where is it deployed? Or anywhere else, because everything is Dockerized. Thank you for watching.